Is she doing it too? This is just that perfect color that gives you like that summer, like sunburn, suntan look. We also went to an open house and we are obsessed with this house. Hey Jan, you're looking muscular and extra tall today. I mean, you don't even look 6'1", you look like 6'5". Ooh, and you have that cup of us. Aww.
What is it?
Okay, so okay, so this is the outfit of the day, just this cute summer dress. So it's currently Friday morning. I love that. I love the sun coming in, and just mornings are always magical because it's a fresh new start. But anyway, I'm doing a load of laundry. You might hear it in the background. I'm also changing my bedding, so I'll show you guys that right now. It's by Brooklinen, and this video is in collaboration with them. You already know I love their sheets. I love their towels. That's one of their towels in the background. I always have them like rolled by the bath so that when Violet gets out of the bath, it's like boom, ready to go. I actually took one with her last night. Feeling congested, I went to the doctor and they were like, you have seasonal allergies. And I was like, oh, lovely. Today I'm gonna show you guys the pillows and the down comforter. Okay, so this is the down comforter, very lightweight. If you are looking for something a bit more heavier or thicker, they have that as well. For me, the lightweight comforter is perfect for summer. This will be stuffed in a duvet cover, but I am just obsessed. As you can see, it's not thick, but it's also really comfortable and soft. Okay, look at how light and airy everything looks. Can I just say I love looking at palm trees? I'm just gonna lift up the corner. I don't know if it like helps, but this is Brooklinen, this is Brooklinen, and there's buttons here for the duvet. It's not thick, and that's what I love. You guys will definitely have to take advantage of my code and get this for summer. Today I took Violet to the splash pad, and then we went for a healthy lunch. I took her in our pool. We just kind of did a lot of outdoor activities, and I'm exhausted from like the sun and the water and changing your toddler in and out of swim diapers and dry clothes and back in the swimsuit, and it's exhausting. She's napping right now, and I'm gonna take this time and do the same as well. And I was saying that in my last YouTube video, that so many moms don't take the time to rest because we think we have to be cleaning and all of these things, and it's not that those things can't get done or shouldn't get done during nap time, but I really don't anymore. I really don't do any cleaning and stuff like that during nap time. I do it when she's awake and is playing with a sensory bin, or you know, watching a movie or something like that, just so that I can also be rested. And it's making dinner when she wakes up from her nap, and it's all of that. So you just have to take care of yourself. So it's just so much better for me to nap when she's napping, and I don't every day, just days that I feel like I really need a nap. But anyway, I'm gonna go do that now, and I will see you guys when we make dinner. So this is the best stuff, soyaki from Trader Joe's. And after you mash up your salmon, add that in there. You do that while I fill up Violet's water.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Oh, Jer, you always add too much of things.
Jan.
Basic outfit of the day. By the way, it's Saturday. Here's my claw clip. How cool is it that we have entered the wet hair, like air dried wet hair. I just got out of the shower, so mine's wet. It will be air dried soon though. But the air dried wet hair claw clip is actually a vibe and like stylish. These colors I always find on Amazon. Like I get them in a pack with pastels and like teal. We have Jared's classical playing. He said it starts slow, but it picks up. Jared on the grill.
A man of many skills.
Okay, so bedding update. It was one of the best night's sleeps because the comforter was cozy but thin, soft. So the other thing I wanted to mention, I did this a while ago where I changed my pillows, but I just wanted to show you the ones that I got also from Brooklinen. So if you do want to shop on their website and you're wondering some things that I have that I love, so this duvet cover is from Brooklinen, the sheets are from Brooklinen. I want to say it's light gray. That's the color I think I have. For my bigger pillows, I have the plush down. So if you guys also want to get pillows, a duvet cover, also shop that with my code. This whole place is gonna be Brooklinen. I have the towels, the robes, the bath mats, the sheets, the comforter, my washcloths that I use every single night to take off my makeup, my pillows even. Like, I couldn't recommend them more. Like, if you guys love home stuff and interior and all of that, and you just loved like quality products, and everything I have is down, but they also sell down alternative if that's something that you're looking into. So if you guys want to check out Brooklinen, you can click the link in my description box, use my code SAMO, and you guys will get $20 off orders over 100. Actually, I don't know if it's good morning anymore. Okay, it's 12:06, so afternoon. But so me and Jared went to the grocery store, and we also went to an open house, and we are obsessed with this house. There's a couple things about the house, and maybe some of you guys that are buying. By the way, if you're buying in Florida,
hit me up.
There's a couple things I don't like about it, but I feel like what I'm going into, and I feel like a lot of new home buyers are as well, is that you can't check off every single box.
Yeah, you definitely.
Would you agree with that?
For sure.
Yeah.
It's like compromise, but pick like the non-negotiables.
Like the house itself, for us, especially, we're not afraid to renovate a home, but because we did that last year and like costs change, like you could come up with a budget and then like you go to renovate and like now that's more expensive, or it's completely out of stock and you have to change the plan.
It takes a long time.
Yeah, our countertops took twice as long because everything kept going out of stock, and then I would change it and say, okay, I'll do this one, I'll just do whatever's in stock, and then they'd call me back and be like, that's now out of stock. We did want something already renovated and or new construction, so this fits that box.
For sure.
But it is very close to some of the other homes.
Not a ton of privacy.
Not a ton of privacy.
Which isn't like a deal breaker for me, really.
Me neither, because we were talking with the listing agent and she was basically saying like different hedges you could do. What else? I guess the only thing is the privacy thing, and
been on the market for a long time.
Yeah. But anyway, you guys saw my Whole Foods haul yesterday, so now I'm gonna show you guys what we got at Publix. So here's what we got. The first thing is, I'm gonna share what I'm using everything for, because you guys said in my last grocery haul that was helpful. But the first thing is, I'm getting back into my big salads for lunch. For some reason, I just like arugula for salads. It's got that spicy taste, and this is my favorite brand, the Organic Girl. Second thing is, for the salad, is goat cheese crumbles. So convenient. I'm just gonna show you some things I got at Whole Foods a couple days ago to go in the salad. Goat cheese, chickpeas for protein, And I just love the way chickpeas taste in salad, just delicious. Cherry tomatoes, and the whole reason we went there, deli meat. I get the boar's head peppered turkey. You know I love Whole Foods, but their deli meat is just not that good, especially compared to Publix. So Meyer's lemons are really sweet, and Violet could just like eat them. It's so funny. Shredded cheese for cheesy eggs in the morning, which I even eat now too. So every morning I make Violet cheesy eggs. So it's just scrambled eggs with a little butter, salt and pepper, and cheese. And then we got steak for tomorrow's dinner. So yeah, it's just like a little mini haul, not like a ton of things. Oh, and then the farmer's market yesterday. We got everything I showed you. Like we got iced coffee, we got like a little dog stuffed animal for Violet, and we also got that coconut shake, which is delicious, and 2 mangoes. For some reason, the mangoes are so much better and like juicier at the farmer's market than at the grocery store. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should. I did post that I want to start getting more into clean beauty, so like clean, non-toxic. If you guys have any recommendations, you can leave them in this video for me to check out, and anybody that's reading the comments, I'm sure it'd be super helpful. I was just gonna talk about you. My little just woke up from her nap. We just cuddled on my bed, we read a book, and now her dad took her swimming, and we're gonna go over there in a little bit too and work out. I'm gonna bring you guys. But anyway, I was seeing things on TikTok, and Violet plays with my makeup, and it just got me thinking like, you know what? This is something I should care about. Like I should care about non-toxic makeup. So anyway, let's get to it. So the first thing is a lipstick that I use as a blush. This is I'm pretty sure this is a newer brand. It's by Jason Wu, and you can get this on Target's website, and this is in the shade Cannoli. That's why I always have a mark on my hand, because I rub this on my hand, then I dip my brush in it and put it on my cheeks. This is just that perfect color that gives you like that summer like sunburn, suntan look, where it's like a little bit reddish, like a burnt color on me. I'm sure it would be a pretty lipstick. I just don't really kind of change the look. And then for foundation, I'm looking for like Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I don't know what you would call that. Would you call that full like dewy coverage? I feel like it's not super light, but it's also not really thick either, but it does cover everything on me. But I have not been wearing that, and I've been wearing this by Juice Beauty. So this is another clean product. I didn't know this. I saw this on TikTok. This is Kate Hudson's brand. So thin. So it's really just a tinted moisturizer. So that's why I need to find a foundation as well, and then I can mix them together. But well, I love the applicator. It's like cold too. So I just kind of like do a few dots on my face. The smell reminds me of a spa. Like it reminds me of skincare products. Whenever someone says my skin looks dewy, it's usually from this. The next brand is Jouer, and I know that they're talc free and paraben free. And this is like a double-sided contour stick and then highlighter. So this is what I have on right now. So pretty, and it's really convenient, especially if you like ever want to do your makeup in the car or something, or leaving for vacation, or you do your makeup on the go. I feel like a lot of moms do that. It's just so easy to have one product that does both. Next, for lipstick, I love this one by Lawless. What is the color though? Okay, the color is Wedding Day. So that's cute. I have another one that is the shade Fawn, and I really like that one as well. But this is what I'm wearing today. Okay. Next is mascara. I've been using this mascara for a long time. This is Thrive Cosmetics. And I love this mascara because it's a tubing mascara. So tubing means that it comes off with just water because it goes on like tubes. So if you go swimming with this, they're all gonna like fall out. So some people like this, some people don't, but I personally never wear waterproof mascara. If I'm going in the ocean and I want to wear a little bit of makeup, or I'm going to the pool and I want to wear a little makeup, I would do this whole look, because this is like not a lot. It's literally, my face makeup is literally these 3 things. But I just wouldn't wear mascara because I am not going to sit there and take off waterproof mascara. And then the last clean beauty product that I'm really liking is by the brand Kosas, and I plan to try a lot more of their products. So many of you guys, when I asked you what's your favorite clean beauty brand, so many of you guys said Kosas. And I've been using their brow gel for so long. So yeah, I feel like I have a pretty good start of clean beauty. There's just like a couple things I want to get. I want to get a new concealer. I want to get a powdered bronzer that's clean. Okay, so since Jared and Violet are over at the pool, I'm going to walk over there now and I'm going to get in my workout so that I could just have that done. I'm not going to work out tomorrow, which is Monday morning. You guys know I usually do Pilates. I'll show you what I do when I do a gym workout. I got the whole crew in here. So we actually do this in Pilates sometimes on the machine. I have to do my side raises. Is she doing it too? Oh, we got Jared in here too. Mom's thinking that they could just work out by themselves. We got the fit fam.
Sorry. Oh.
So I do a couple sets of this. And then, is this also working shoulders?
Yeah.
I really like to work shoulders because I like when they get sculpted. Okay, I don't know if everybody does this, but then I go to...
Wow, in the body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you ever do shoulders and buys?
Yeah, toes.
Morning, guys. It's currently Monday. I decided to go to work on Mondays and Tuesdays with Jared so I could get editing done, and he has a nice office. And the first thing I asked was like, okay, so when is our iced coffee break? Where do we get lunch? What else did you...
Magic happens. Hey.